This is a spectacular scene of the king of beasts, the tiger capturing a wild boar. Faced with the tiger's powerful intimidation, can the wild boar successfully escape? Let's take a look together. Tourists passing by notice the tiger capturing a wild boar. They direct to spot and watch. The tiger was seen holding the wild boar head and pressing down forcefully, not allowing the wild boar any chance to escape. The wild boar tried to push forward forcefully, attempting to knock the tiger away. However, the power difference between them was too great. It successfully locked the wild boar. Third, the wild boar lay on the ground, emitting a sound similar to a pig being slaughtered. Its foreleg stretched uncontrollably, hoping the tiger will spare its